Hello and welcome to the CAD source with AutoCAD Civil 3D. Linework refers to the process of drafting of field codes entered into a data collector by the survey field crew. First, we have a text file which has coordinate and their description code. Note the description code. Go to the tool space. Figure and prefix database. Create new. Manage figure prefix database. Plus icon. Name according to description file. Lot line. Rename layer. Linework and code set, create new. Here you have spatial codes which can be edited superior for the line work. Go to Survey Database again, CAD Source, Import Events, Import Survey Data, select Point File, specify Point File format. System will automatically draft the line and do the line work for you, even with thousands of points if correct codes are given to point numbers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.